Imagine a world where your most private information is at risk every single day. Welcome to the reality of the digital age. Welcome to the world of cybersecurity. It's more than just a buzzword. Rather, cybersecurity is a necessity in our interconnected world, where every click, every post, every digital move we make can potentially expose us to threats. It's the guardian of our personal and professional data, the silent sentinel that stands between us and a plethora of cyber threats. But it's not just about defense, it's about enabling safe exploration, secure transactions, and trusted connections in the vast digital landscape. It's the intricate system of safeguards that lets us live, work, and play in the digital world with peace of mind. So, in the vast world of the internet, cybersecurity is our shield and our sword. Now that we understand the importance of cybersecurity, let's delve into the dark side of the digital world: cyber threats and attacks. These digital dangers come in many forms, each with its own unique way of causing chaos and disruption. Let's start with malware, a term that encompasses a variety of harmful software designed to damage or disable systems. This includes viruses that can replicate and spread across networks, and Trojans, deceitful programs that seem harmless but carry a malicious payload. Next, we have phishing, a cyber threat where attackers impersonate trustworthy entities to trick people into revealing sensitive information. Picture a wolf in sheep's clothing, only in this case the wolf is an email from a seemingly legitimate source asking for your login details. And then there's ransomware, a particularly nasty type of malware. Attackers using ransomware can lock you out of your own systems and data, demanding a ransom to restore access. Imagine being locked out of your own house, with the only key in the hands of a stranger demanding payment. These threats can cause immense damage, from crippling vital infrastructure to stealing sensitive personal and financial information. But don't let this intimidate you. The digital world, like any other, has its risks, but with the right knowledge, tools, and strategies, we can navigate it safely. The digital world can be a dangerous place, but with the right defenses, we can stand strong against these cyber threats. Imagine your home without locks on the doors or windows. Sounds risky, right? The same is true for our digital homes, our networks. Network security is a bit like our digital doorman, a vigilant guardian protecting the integrity and confidentiality of our data. It's all about creating a secure environment where our information can flow freely without falling into the wrong hands. Fundamentally, network security involves measures to prevent unauthorized or malicious users from getting inside your network. Think of it as a digital fortress, with firewalls acting as the mighty walls repelling outside threats. But it doesn't stop there. A well-secured network also requires a secure architecture. This is where we strategically design the network to minimize vulnerabilities and isolate threats, much like compartmentalizing a ship to prevent it from sinking. With a secure network, we can rest easy knowing our digital homes are safe. Ever wondered how your online transactions stay secure? The answer is encryption and cryptography. These two mechanisms are the vanguards of cybersecurity, protecting your data as it travels through the vast digital highways. Now, let's break it down. Encryption is the process of converting information into a code that's unreadable to anyone who doesn't have the decryption key. Think of it like a secret language, only decipherable to those in the know. Cryptography, on the other hand, is the science behind creating and solving these secret codes. It involves complex algorithms and mathematical principles that are as fascinating as they are intricate. Together, encryption and cryptography form a formidable barrier against prying eyes. Whether it's your credit card details, personal emails, or sensitive business information, these tools ensure your data remains confidential during transmission. So, thanks to encryption and cryptography, our secrets stay secret. We've all heard the saying, "Don't trust everything you read on the internet." Well, that's where web security comes in. It's the guardian that shields us from the dangers lurking in the digital world, like cross-site scripting, where malicious scripts are injected into trusted websites, or SQL injection, where hackers can manipulate your database through your website. Web security is not just about protecting the user, but also about safeguarding the website itself. Secure coding practices are the first line of defense. They ensure that your website is not leaving any doors open for the digital thieves. Then comes secure browsing. It's about making sure that the path you tread on the internet doesn't lead you into a trap. Using updated browsers, enabling automatic updates, and avoiding suspicious websites are some simple yet effective practices. Remember, A secure web is a trustworthy web. Imagine if just anyone could walk into your home. Scary, right? That's why we need identity and access management in the digital world. Just like your home keys control who can enter your house, identity and access management controls who can access what information in a digital system. It's an integral part of cybersecurity, ensuring that the right people, and only the right people, have the right access. Let's break it down. There are two key components to this: authentication and authorization. Authentication is like checking an ID card. It's the process of verifying who a user is. Once their identity is confirmed, we move to authorization. This is where we decide what they can and cannot do within the system. So you see, identity and access management is like a digital bouncer, keeping unwanted guests out of our systems. With identity and access management, we ensure that only the right people have the right access. In our on-the-go world, our data often travels with us on our mobile devices and lives in the cloud. But how do we keep it secure? As we dive into the realm of mobile and cloud security, it's important to recognize the unique challenges we face in this area. Our mobile devices are like mini computers, carrying a wealth of personal and professional data. They connect to various networks, making them susceptible to cyber threats. Meanwhile, cloud storage provides a convenient way to store and access data from anywhere, but it also presents its own set of security concerns. So how do we protect our data on these platforms? First, let's tackle mobile security. The first line of defense is to secure your device physically. Use strong, unique passcodes and biometric features like fingerprint or face recognition if available. Regularly update your device's operating system and apps to the latest versions, as these updates often include important security patches. Next, be wary of the networks you connect to. Public Wi-Fi hotspots can be breeding grounds for cyber threats. If you must use them, consider using a virtual private network or VPN to encrypt your data and maintain your privacy. Now, onto cloud security. The security of your data in the cloud largely depends on the provider you choose. Reputable providers implement robust security measures to protect your data. However, it's not just up to them. You also have a role to play. Use strong, unique passwords for your cloud accounts. Enable two-factor authentication for an added layer of security. Furthermore, be mindful of the data you store in the cloud. Not all data is created equal. Some data is more sensitive and should be given extra protection. Consider encrypting such data before uploading it to the cloud. Lastly, regularly back up your data. This might not prevent a cyber attack, but it can help your recovery if one does occur. In conclusion, mobile and cloud security might seem daunting, but with a little know-how and vigilance, we can significantly reduce our vulnerability to cyber threats. Whether we're on the move or using the cloud, we can keep our data secure. And remember, knowledge is power. Keep learning, keep growing, and keep your data safe. Stay tuned for more insights here on Obsidian Tech. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and share the knowledge with your friends. After all, cybersecurity is everyone's responsibility. We've taken a journey through the complex world of cybersecurity, but remember, it's a world that's always changing and evolving. From understanding the basics of cybersecurity, identifying potential threats and attacks, to exploring the nuances of network security, we've covered a lot of ground. We've delved into the intricacies of encryption and cryptography, web security, and identity and access management. Not forgetting the importance of mobile and cloud security in our increasingly connected world. Yet, this is just the beginning. The digital landscape is vast and ever-changing, and staying safe means staying informed. So keep learning, keep questioning, and keep exploring. Cybersecurity isn't a destination, it's a journey. And as you navigate the digital world, remember that Obsidian Tech is here to guide you every step of the way. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and promote Obsidian Tech for more insightful videos. Stay safe and savvy in the digital world.